a girl and say like, hey, what's up, girl? How are you doing? And then you do this specific move. Like that every time. Whoa! It's dangerous. It's dangerous. I still want doubles.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Kartik, Error, Mocha, Karsovo, Shell, top of the winners list. Congratulations. Best luck in next round as well here. Let's do this. So yeah, you know, if you're looking for like a good horror movie this year, I would definitely recommend The First Omen. It's even like a touch better, you know, if you have actually seen the original one. But even if you haven't, I mean, it's still solid. Alright, 2x here on number 2. Personally, I kind of just love prequels, which like tie in perfectly into the original. And bam, Pachinko time. Let's go. Third Pachinko of the session this time, folks. Are you ready? Let's see what the wall's got here for us. What you got for us, Pachinko? Well, starting with a 2x, right? But that's just the beginning. 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, couple of hundreds, 200, and 2 doubles here, right? So, low lows, high highs. It's all or nothing on this one, folks. Let's go. Good luck. Let's see. Ooh, this is kind of perfect, though, isn't it?
This is the amount of money issued: 1,028,836 euros.
Congratulations, guys. Big time here.
I think that does answer the question, doesn't it, guys? Yeah, bad DF and AY top 3. 4,034 winners in total. Another spin. Andreas, that's a bit of a spicy question, don't you think, my lord? Here we go. $4X coin flip. Is that crazy time? Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, another crazy time. Make some noise! Get in, my lord! And yes, we are here, baby. Crazy time money wheel, biggest money wheel in the world, ladies and gentlemen. Choose wisely, though. Green, blue, yellow, 3 flappers. You have to choose one of them. And choose carefully, as, you know, everyone's gonna have a different payout, so, yeah. It seems like most of you went with the blue flapper, and ladies and gentlemen, there's a 200X on this bad boy. Well, let's see if we can get it. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued: 332,437 euros.
Yellow team, make some noise! 200X for Team Yellow, 20 for Team Blue, and 25 for Team Green. This calls for a...
What can you do now? And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another coin flip on this round. That is red, that is blue. Alright. Let's see what we are cooking this time. 3x, you say, Zetitas. Hopefully more than that. 4x versus 20x. So, pretty please. Never mind. Never mind. 4x for this coin flip. Congratulations to 601 winner. And top one, guys, welcome everyone to the crazy time. My name is Jay, so I'll be your host for the next 5 minutes or so. So yeah, let's get it. Oh, mistake, 4x, yeah. Slight mistake, I guess, Adidas. Good luck. Number 5 is 5x on the top slot. Here we go. And seems like we are going to Pachinko. Lovely. Let's see, maybe we can score some redemption right here, right now, huh? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Pachinko. Alright, what do you mean no? Okay, we start with a 3x. 3, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 200, 2 doubles. Okay. Wish you all best of luck. Let's see.
This is the amount of money issued 53,112 euros.
Congratulations to 652 winners. No redemption for me, you. Well, that's what you mean? Sit down. Sit down. All right, here we go. Oh, you got it, Becca? Let's go. Let's go. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Good luck. We got him.
Spin. Congratulations, 2-round winners. By the way, Daniel, what other weird things have you tried eating? That are not common on my side. What's your price? Let's change to the 4X Topslot. Look at that. Pachinko time. Welcome, players. Welcome to Pachinko. Let's check the board. Let's see. What do we have? First line of 2x. I'd like to see something more. 7, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100. Let's have a 4x from the top spot. Another shiny board. Wow. Let's go. Highest multiplier is 400x, dropping the puck, and good luck. So, Thingy, where you going? Yeah, you better stay in this shiny zone.
This is the amount of money issued 115,719 euros.
Congratulations! Wow. That was lovely, sexy. One of the 1,774 of you have Rain, GP, Apple, Top. 3 winners, special compliments coming your way, and let's hope that you're ready to continue. Wow, that was nice. Lovely. That was lovely. Whew, 200x. Nice wheel. Keep up. I want more segments like this. 5-3 stop slot.
GRHHHF, player 149, and Bingo Plus PZNA, the top 3. Congrats to you guys. Let's go again. Sing for us. Nah. Oh, you are from Bali. Hey, that's nice. That's nice. Almost there. Almost. We have a coin flip with a 7x top slot. And that is exactly what we get. Let's go and see what it has in store for us this time. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a coin flip with a 7x top slot. Okay, that is a bit better. So we have a coin, one side is red, the other side is blue. We place it so that red is up top. Multipliers on the screen right now. We will have 50 and 4. Oh man. 28 and 350. 28 and 350. 28 and 350. 28 and 350. Let's give it a flip.
This is the amount of money issued 156,242 euros.
Whoa! Congrats to 1,620.
Do a pony dance. Pony dance. Pony. Wait, you mean the stallion? But that's not a dance. That's a way how I seduce women. Guys, if you want to seduce every woman in your life, it's very easy. All you need is to have a hair like this, exactly like this. and you come up to a girl and say like, "Hey, what's up, girl? How you doing?" And then you do this specific move, like this, every time, and ooh, baby, not bad. Well, I mean, best of luck. Yep. I don't trust you. Never trust the penguins. Never trust the penguins. So, 15X Topslot. CT. I feel like that it's dangerous. It's dangerous. I still want doubles and triples. Say what you want, I still want doubles and triples. I wonder what's the biggest win of the day, because most likely we're gonna beat it. We'll see. We shall see. Green, blue, or yellow. Which one is it? OMG, OMG. I love when people become white chicks. You know, like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't take it. Oh my god, max multiplier 3000x. Best of luck.
This is the amount of money issued 352,025 euros.
375, 750, and 375. Congratulations.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.